Are you having issue with your MeMeFi coin airdrop? This is the only video you need to watch that's going to solve connection failed issue you're having. So guys, this is crypto space now. This century now, we can make a lot of money from online just mining cryptos. This is the latest airdrop. You need to mine and make a lot of money because there's a great future for this airdrop also. Before I continue, welcome to Airdrop. This is a channel where we discuss about finance, making money online, and getting latest airdrop update. Before I continue, give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section, react on this video, and don't forget to click on subscribe. You can see my MeMeFi coin here. I'm having issue saying connection failed. The connection seems to be off. Please reload the app. So guys, let me click on reload. You can see I'm still having same issue here. The only solution to solve this problem I am going to give you in this video. Just watch this video to the end. Number one solution to this issue now, just go to your Play Store. Though I'm having the app on my phone, go to Play Store or you go to Apple Store. After going to Apple Store, just search for one VPN called Winscribe. Well, let me search for the, though I'm having it on my phone, Winscribe. So when I search for Winscribe here, this is Winscribe VPN. After downloading and install this on your phone, you need to register account with Winscribe VPN. Then you open the app. So me myself, I'm having account already, but you as new user using this VPN, you need to create account, then you log in, get 10 gigabytes for free on this Winscribe app. In this video, I am going to be using London as my VPN. So guys, let me connect London. So I already connect my London to my Winscribe here. Now let me go to MeMeFi airdrop and let me play the airdrop here. So you can see, you can see now we can now start mining this airdrop. So guys, the only solution to solve this issue is to use VPN. Use VPN to start mining this MeMeFi airdrop. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section, react on this video, and don't forget to click on subscribe.